Don't get big like King Kong. I got brown and pink toes. They don't wanna leave me alone. Get my t-shirt by V-Long. Almost into the G code. I see you through the peephole. Do this shit for my people.
Hi guys, it's your girl Grace here, and today I'm back again with another natural hair video. Today I'm going to be trying out Magerz Gel Loc-Lock. It claims that it holds braids, cornrows, locks, and twists tighter. I'm going to be using it for braids because I'm going to be doing a braid out. I'm going to see how defined and stuff this gel makes your braid outs. I have used this brand in the past. I've used their beeswax for like my edges and stuff, and it worked really nicely, so I hope that this brand overall has nice products. I've started off with stretched hair. My hair was moisturized probably like 2 days before I did this video. So I'm going to be working with 1/2 of my hair at a time, and then I'm just going to be going and parting the places that I want to braid. And by no means are my parts perfect. Oh my goodness, these are crooked. This is the consistency of the gel. It kind of melted like between my fingers, so it was kind of different than what I'm used to. I didn't want to put on like too much gel because I did not want it to take forever to dry. I noticed with my hair that if I put on like a lot of gel, it takes literally like hours and hours and hours to dry. Like sometimes I'll even wake up and it's still not dry. So I'm just combing, brushing, and smoothing just to make these braids as smooth as I can. Then I just begin braiding tightly so that I can get as much definition as possible. Especially because my hair is stretched, I don't expect so much definition, but you know, just to give it a little bit more. And then I just get more gel at the end and then just twist my finger around it just to make sure that it stays curled. And then I just continue to do the whole thing throughout my head. I get the gel and put it on, smooth it all the way through, and then comb it and brush it obviously. And then just braid it up as tight as I can. I'm doing like medium to medium small braids all around my head. I don't want to make them too small because it's a pain to take them out, and it's way easier to make it frizzy. And then I don't want to make them too big because then I'll lose a lot of definition. And just look at that sealed end, y'all.
Trip made another one.
now that this side is all done, this is what it looks like from the back. I think I did about like 7 or 8 braids on that one side. So it's probably gonna be like 14 or 16 in total. And these braids look nice and tight, so they look very, 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 very promising. This is when I finished all of the braids, and this is the back. So here is where I start taking out the braids, nice and slow. I did not put oil on my hands because I kind of thought that that would alter the results because I'd be using a different product with the gel. This right here is the definition that I was getting, which I think is pretty good, especially for myself, because when I have stretched hair and then I do like a braid out, it's not really that defined, but like this was giving me life. And oh my goodness, look at that. My hair kind of just clumped together and started separating by itself. What? And this pull right here, oh my goodness, so satisfying. Here is the super fun part, the fluffing and picking and separating. And do not pick through your ends, guys. That is a definite no-no. So I definitely feel like this gel did its job and did it well. Look at that definition. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and follow me on my Instagram. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.